Here's the fact that changes how you see money forever. Ready? There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, not one more, ever. Now feel why that hits so hard. Regular money, when they want more, they make more. Crisis hits, boom, trillions out of thin air. Sounds generous, right? Wrong. Every new dollar makes yours worth less. That's the tax nobody voted for. It's why your parents bought a house for pocket change and you can't touch one today. The house didn't change. The money got weaker, quietly, every single year. They call it inflation. You call it, why is everything so expensive? Bitcoin said, no more. 21 million, written in code, copied across thousands of machines, unchangeable. No CEO can break it, no government can override it. It has never happened and it never will. For the first time in history, money that can't be watered down, money they can't dilute while you sleep. And here's the knockout. Scarcity is what made gold powerful for thousands of years. Because you can't just print more. Bitcoin took that ancient power and made it digital, provable, even harder to fake. That's why they call it hard money, not hard to use and hard to corrupt. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. You'll never look at your paycheck the same way again. I'm Saturo. Stay dangerous. See you in the next one.